I'm Dallas Tong with KW Luxury, and behind me is this two-story Toll Brothers custom home. We are here in the Mesa Ridge gated community in Summerlin, west of Las Vegas. And the details of this house is a 4-bedroom, 4.5 bath, under 4,500 square foot, and it's listed for $2.6 million. So let's go inside and take a look. Coming in from the front entrance, we have 23-foot high ceilings, then a powder room on the left. We have a wet bar on the right. They upgraded these folding stairs with the concrete steps. Take a look. So walking in towards the center of the home, this is an open concept. So left side is the formal dining area. And then the right side is the family room. This is like open concept floor plan. All right, in the kitchen, waterfall edge, quartz countertop. There's cabinets throughout under here. What I love about this countertop is it's all one piece. This whole thing is one piece. Then we have the brass accessories, the JennAir, and then, of course, you see behind me, they're still waiting for the built-in fridge. Brand new build, so once it's here, the price doesn't change. Now we have extended cabinetry in here towards the pantry. All right, we are in the garage, and this is a 3-car with a tandem. So you could actually park like 4 cars plus a golf cart. Okay, as you're coming up the stairs, beautiful railings. And if you're afraid of heights, then this might not be for you, but it's still beautiful. It's like a bridge coming over here, and then you have views all around the house. All right, walking into the primary, and we have a balcony back here with 9-foot stacking doors. Now you're coming through into the primary bathroom, and then you're going to see me right here. To my left, you have the standalone tub and then vanity on both sides. Behind you, you will have dual water closet. Now walk into the shower, and then as you turn right, you see the rainfall shower. Now we're walking into the closet. Of course, you can still do your own custom closet. So we're going towards the front of the house. Right here is the laundry room. We have a little loft area. And then 2 bedrooms are on each side of the corner of the house. So going into the east side of the bedroom, this bedroom has its own walk-in closet and a bathroom. So now you're coming into the west side of this room, and in there also has its own bathroom and walk-in closet. All right, so this is the end of the tour. If you like or interested in this home, reach out to me. If you want to see anything else, also reach out to me. Dallas Tong at kwvegas.com, 702-686-1668. Thanks for watching. 4-bed, is it 5-bedroom? Okay, walking in the front entrance, we have 23. Take a look. It's super large, super large. Hello.